John from Retro Manufacturing here to talk about the newest addition to the RetroSound lineup, the Santa Cruz Retro Radio. I'm very excited to talk to you about this new unit, which we previewed at SEMA in 2017 and we're now officially selling through our licensed dealer network along with our website. With that said, let's jump right into things. So we spent a great deal of time working on this head unit because we knew there was a large demand for a few reasons. Number one, being that they fit some of the most popular trucks ever produced. Number two, by common standards, these trucks now technically fall into the classic vehicle category, being that they're over 20 and in some cases possibly over 30 years old. Now I know there's a number of you guys out there that are looking to restore their truck back to showroom quality and might want to upgrade the factory stereo so you can enjoy modern sound when you take your truck on the road. Well, this is by far the best solution because this is the only OEM quality replacement available in the aftermarket to date. Whatever your reason for upgrading, the Santa Cruz will deliver upon expectations. Some of the key features include Apple compatibility, meaning not only can you control your iTunes library, but also simultaneously charge your iPhone while using it. Don't worry, Android users, there are still 2 USB and 2 auxiliary inputs as well for maximum flexibility. The Santa Cruz also includes features like built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling, wireless audio streaming, and is also Sirius XM ready, so you can listen to all of your favorite satellite stations. This retro radio also features a powerful 25-watt 4-channel amp built in, and includes RCA pre-outs plus a subwoofer output, meaning that you should be able to power your entire cab with just this head unit alone. It also has multicolored display that allows you to customize the look of your radio to your liking. The Santa Cruz definitely looks very simple and streamlined with its OEM appearance, but it's absolutely a dynamic head unit that provides a ton of functionality in a compact design and interface. The Santa Cruz is now available for order by way of our international dealer network or by just visiting our website directly. Check us out online for more information and don't forget to visit our blog. We'll see you in the next video.